Hello, welcome to the Altec Fusion. In this video, we'll see lazy loading implementation in Angular 12. So beyond the video, don't skip single minute of the video because you may lose some concepts in between. First of all, the first question in mind is why lazy loading? As we know, Angular is the single page application. So if we add more and more features in our application, then its build size will get increased. Ultimately, when you load the website for first time, it will take its loading time will get increased as it load all the features at a time. So also our performance will decrease. Hence, to avoid this thing, we use lazy loading. It will load only part of the application which requires. So faster loading app gives you the performance boost. For example, now consider if you are having three features like admin feature, patient feature, and dashboard feature. So in normal case, if you are not using lazy loading, then what happen? In at the initial time of loading, it will load all the features, means admin, dashboard, and third one, all the features at a time. So its loading time it's increased. But instead of that, if you use lazy loading, it will load whenever admin feature requires, it will load admin module. Whenever dashboard feature requires, it will load dashboard module, like that. So this is the importance of lazy loading. This is all about the theory. Now we'll move towards the implementation. Now here you can see we made basic application, basic project. Inside that only app works, like that. Now we'll move in the code. I already built three different modules: admin, dashboard, and patient modules. Inside each module, one component is there. In admin component is there. Like that, in all modules, their respective components are there. Now, what we'll do, we'll add their routing as well. For child modules, we will add their particular routings. So I will copy the app routing module file and I will paste it in admin module. In same way I will do for all other modules. Now I will rename all the files. Like that I will rename all other routing files as well. Also I will change the export class name also. Patient routing module, dashboard routing module, and admin routing module. Okay. Now all set. We made their respective routing modules as well. Now we'll add the routing for the child modules. Means here the app component is the parent module and the admin, dashboard, and patient are the child modules. Now one more thing we need to focus over here is we use for root method only in the main module, means our root module, and for child modules routing we use for child method. So I will change this as well. Okay, now all set. We'll do for single module first time. I will add path for routing. Okay, it's done. As we can see, I added a routing for the particular component. Will move in the app routing module.ts. Now here we have to implement our lazy loading, and how, just take a look on that. I will add routing means path over here, then path as a admin, then I will use load children method, and inside load children method I will use dynamic import to import our modules dynamically. Dot slash admin slash admin module. Now inside that I will use callback function to call our module app.admin module. It's done. Now it will load the that particular module whenever we call this, whenever we redirect to this URL. Now first of all, I will make here, instead of admin, I will make here default routing to admin component. It will redirect default to the admin component. One more thing I want to show over here is we need to import this in our import array of the admin module. I will import that as well. We'll do the same thing for all other modules also. Okay. Now all set will move in the browser now. Now if I write here admin, then it will load admin module. That's great. It's working. Admin works. It is redirecting to the admin component inside the admin module. I will remove app works heading from here. So it will give you much more clarity. Okay, admin works. Now similarly will do this thing for all other modules. Dashboard component, patient component. Now default is set and we'll simply use the same thing again. Load children. Okay, it's done. Now if I write over here patient in the browser, then it will redirect me to the patient module. Patient works. That's great. It's working fine. Now one more thing I want to highlight over here. If I want to redirect this thing, so I will add one more routing over here, one more path. Path is as a default path. Whenever it find out default path, it will redirect to the admin component. We will make path match as a full, and simply I will path to load this component. So now whenever we redirect to admin component, it will redirect us to admin comp URL. So child component inside the child module. Admin, you can see admin slash admin comp. So just now we implemented the lazy loading. In next video we'll see what are the do's and don'ts of lazy loading, how actually lazy loading works in browser. So if you like this video then please like it, subscribe and share the video. If you are having any doubts you can pin that doubts in the comment section. I will, as soon as possible I will try to reply over that comments. Thanks.